Our exercise for today will be this simple drawing over here. Let's head over to SolidWorks and start. So I'll select my front plane, and then as usual I'll be using a midpoint construction line as my center lines. Nope, that didn't work. Let's try again. So we'll use a construction and a midpoint line, then we'll draw it out like this. Then we can add another one too, like this. Then we'll make this vertical. Next up will be this circle of diameter 40 and the next one of diameter 70. Using our circle tool, draw the two circles. This will be diameter 70. And this will be diameter 40. And then this will be deleted. You have that down. And then we'll proceed to draw this circle of diameter 10 and then radius 10 up there. So let's activate our dynamic mirror tool, and then we'll use this line. So there are two circles, diameter 10 and then radius 10. Diameter 10, radius 10. Using the smart dimension tool, 20 for the radius 10, and we have this as our diameter 10, and its distance is 90 apart. So from here to here it's going to be 90. You then join the two lines. You create this. And then you trim this off. Next up, you draw your tangent lines like this. Make sure they're tangents. Then you draw your second tangent line. It didn't work out, so you can just add the relation. This. What is wrong with my mouse? Add a relation, this to this, then make it tangent. Okay, so after that, let's just zoom to fit, and then we'll draw the slot. So a slot of length 30, we'll use a straight slot. And then let's extend this a bit. We'll use a straight slot. Of length 30. And then I set distance of 65 from here. And then a thickness of 18 18. After that, we'll draw another slot. And we want a straight slot. So let's use a straight slot. Extends from here to here. And this has a thickness of 30. Just like this. 18 and 30. And then we'll trim the edges. So select your trim tool. Just destroy it. Trim this. Trim this. This also. And the last two will be these two. So after trimming, you can just make right click on the graphics area, and then you click on fully defined sketch. So the sketches to fully define will be this, and then select this. After calculating, you confirm, and the only thing left to be this point to delete, and then you have your fully defined sketch, right, like this. So let's trim off these ones. And then we are done for this drawing. Don't forget to practice, and then I'll see you.